recently tried out Sheetify CRM, this Google Sheets-based CRM that sells itself on being everything you need in a spreadsheet. As someone who's juggled small business tools, I had to ask, is it just another template or a genuinely functional system? Let's unpack what worked, what didn't, and whether it lives up to its claim of being a no-subscription lifetime solution. Sheetify is, at its core, a CRM built inside Google Sheets, bundled with contact and lead tracking, invoicing, sales pipeline management, email marketing with Gmail, task integration, and even inventory and issue tracking in one tidy spreadsheet framework. It's designed for small or micro businesses that love Google tools but don't want to pay recurring subscriptions. After purchase, you copy the template to your drive, authorize it, and personalize through a settings tab. Setup was surprisingly straightforward. The pricing model genuinely impressed me. There's no monthly fee, just a one-time cost, typically around $67 USD, which gives you lifetime access plus updates. In a world where CRM costs can sneak up on you, this flat fee approach is refreshingly transparent and budget-friendly. In practice, the system lets you capture leads via Google Forms, organize data in structured tabs for tasks, pipelines, invoices, and track customer lifetime value, all familiar to anyone comfortable with Sheets. The built-in dashboards offer simple performance metrics without needing separate reporting tools. Email campaigns sent through Gmail directly from the sheet felt convenient. And the low learning curve means new users didn't need hours of onboarding. But it's not perfect. The spreadsheet layout does limit scalability. With dozens of leads or complex automations, sheets start lagging or become messy. The interface, while simple, lacks the polish or speed of dedicated CRM apps. Reporting capabilities are basic. If you rely on visual, dynamic dashboards or extensive analytics, you'll need to export data elsewhere. There's also no free trial, so your only option is to pay and test quickly. One user on Reddit raised concerns about Google Drive access after setup, something to be aware of if you're protective of your Docs data. Overall, Sheetify hits a sweet spot for budget-focused small businesses that want lightweight CRM tactics without switching tools. It's cost-effective, integrates deeply with Google Apps, and avoids the recurring fees that drain small budgets. But if your business plans to grow significantly, require complex workflows, or depend on robust analytics, expect to outgrow it soon. So here's the bottom line. Sheetify fills a unique niche. It's a no-frills, Google-native CRM that offers solid value for those who want clarity, simplicity, and lifetime access over bells, whistles, and subscriptions. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your biggest CRM obstacle? I'll help figure out your best next move. Catch you in the next one.